Welcome to this new video tutorial of multi-vendor marketplace size chart plugin for the Magento 2 platform-based web store. And basically, this is the plugin that allows the marketplace sellers to add the size charts for their products under their own account panel. And the sellers would be able to set up two different type of size chart templates. That is a normal one, and the other one is the configurable one. So basically, this plugin would help you to showcase your size charts on the storefront for the customers to make their sizing decisions easy. Apart from that, you can easily create custom size charts for your store products, and the admin and the sellers can then easily create and add new size chart templates and can use those templates while adding the products under their own account panels. And apart from that, each size chart can be assigned to product separately, and the sellers will be able to add two type of size charts that I've already told you. That's the normal and the configurable. And apart from that, the customers will get a button on the product page. That's Let me scroll down here. That's the view size chart here. As you can see on the right hand side, we have the view size chart link. And if the customer taps that up, that would bring up the size chart in this particular pop-up window. And from here, the customers can check their sizes for the product that they are going to purchase, and along with that they can see the different units for different countries, as you can see here. So for the size medium, we have US as 38, UK 38, Europe 48 and 40. Now the customer can make use of the any of these options here. So for example, if I need a medium jacket, and for that, what I'll do is I'll just tap here on the add to cart button, and this particular product would then be added to the cart itself. So let's tap OK, and if I tap back, so here you can see that we have added this particular product along with the size, that's the medium, and the quantity is 1. Now and the customer can now easily proceed to the checkout button by pressing the proceed to checkout button. So basically, the size chart is helpful for the customers, as they can now easily check their fit, so that they can accordingly select their product size, and thereafter the customer can add that particular product into the cart and can make a checkout thereafter. So we have this view size chart link on the product pages, and tapping that up brings up the sizes that are there for that particular product, and from that the customer can choose his size or this fit there, and can make a checkout thereafter. So let me log into my customer account so as to place the order. So just give me a minute for that, and okay, and I'll just tap on the login button. Now we'll be redirected to the same page, and thereafter we can place the order as well. So that's how the customers can check the product size charts at the storefront on the respective product page itself by tapping the link there, and the size chart just pops up. So right now I'll just choose this shipping method, and I'll just tap here on the next button. This particular date and time is not associated with this particular plugin. That's another plugin there. And let's make a payment for this particular order. So you can see that we have one quantity here for the product that we had chosen, and the size chart basically helped the customer to choose the right size for himself. The order has been placed. Let's check the details of the order itself, and if I scroll down here, I can see that we have the size men's, that's medium here. Alright, so that was the customer flow, how they can check the basically how they can check this particular size chart on the product pages. Now let's go to the vendor end, and let's see how the vendors would be able to create the size charts for their products, like the normal ones and the configurable ones. And then we'll show you how the vendors can assign those templates that they have created for the size charts to their products. And similarly on the end, we'll be showing you the admin's workflow as well. So that would be equivalent to the vendor's workflow. So let's go to the storefront now. So I'll be logging into my seller account. So I'll just tap here on the login button. After login, on the left hand side you have the marketplace dashboard, as you can see. So this dashboard comes up after you have installed the Magento 2 multi-vendor marketplace plugin by Webkul. So under this dashboard, we'll just navigate to the section that's the daily. Alright, that's the size chart that you can see here. So let's open that up in a new window, and let's see how we can make use of the size chart there under the vendor's account panel, as you can see right now. So here we are on the size chart page. That's the size chart, and these are the details for the size chart. So you can see that I've already added a size chart template for the normal as well as for the configurable products, along with the template name, template code, and the images. And we can also edit them by tapping here on the edit template link that we have. Apart from that, we can also delete them. To add a new template, you just need to tap here on the add new template button or the drop down option here, and thereafter you just need to choose the one that you want to create. So for example, if you want to create a normal one, you can tap here on the normal, and then we'll be seeing the particular section wherein we'll be entering the info for the template to create. So here we are on the add template section, as you can see right now, and we reached there by tapping here on the option that's the size chart. So this is the marketplace vendor panel right now, as you can see here. So we'll just set up the template name and the template code as well. So I'll just set it as temp code. You can set up the template name that would describe the template that we are going to create. Then we can add the custom options as well. So let me enter these as you can add multiple ones. It depends upon your own requirement, so they should be separated by a comma if you're adding multiple custom options. So I've just added waist and length, and thereafter we will tap here on the continue button, and now you can see that the custom options have been used to create the columns here. So we can set the initial one, that's the option title. So if I'll just choose it as check size. Now comes the part. So basically, if you want to add the custom price, then you can check this particular option to provide the price for each of the custom options there. Otherwise, if you don't want to do that, just leave it as blank, this particular checkbox. And if you want to add the rows, so we'll just tap here on the add row button, and then we can set up the values for the same. So for example, if I enter here 23, the length is 45, and the waist is 45 and 54. So here you can set up the values basically. So I can set it as size US and size US and size UK. So if I want to add more, I can tap here. Otherwise, to delete any of the values column, just tap here on the delete. Then we need to choose the image. So I'll just choose this particular image, and thereafter we'll be tapping here on the save button. And now you'll be seeing that the template has been saved successfully and would be visible under the size chart template. And you can reach that under the seller account by navigating to the size chart side menu option. So here you can see that we have the edit template link for each of these templates that we have created for the size chart. So let me open this particular one, and let's see how we can edit the info there. So here we are on the edit template page. So here you can see that we have set the template name as span size, the code. Then we haven't added any custom price to the same. So you can basically check this option to set up the price here, and then that would be reflected at the storefront. And you can also change the image as per your own requirement. So in the previous example I didn't show you how to add the custom price, so for that you just need to check this option and this particular thing comes up. And if you have multiple columns here, then you can set for each of those columns. And after you're done with the editing, just tap here on the save button, and the template has been edited successfully, as you can see right now. Let me open this one, the one that we tried to create. So that's the edit template page, and right now we haven't edited the custom price for that. So if I choose this option here, then we can set up the price as well. Alright, and then we can tap here on the save button. So accordingly you can create your columns there by choosing the options that you want to provide to the customers. Maybe you have a medium for $99, and you have another one for $101, which is a large size for that particular product. So you can set the price for the different options that you add. So the template has been added. Now let's see how the vendor can assign the templates to a particular product. So for that we'll just go to the my product list. You can also create a new product and assign the respective size chart to that, or you can add it to the already created products as well. So let me take you to the storefront once, and then we'll be seeing the rest of the portion there. So as I've told you already, here we have the size, so it's small, then we have the medium, large, triple XL, and XL. Alright, so now if the customer taps here on the wave size chart, you can see that we have the details for the same. Here we have the size for US, UK, Europe, Japan, and from here the customers can directly add the product into the cart to make a checkout there. So right now we haven't added any custom price to the created ones, so you can do that as well. Now let's go back, and here we are on the marketplace product list. Let me search for one product that I'll be using to assign the size chart. So here we have the product, that's the Lando gym jacket. And so here we have the Lando gym jacket, and right now one of the size chart has been assigned to it, that's the configurable one. And we also have the other size as well, that's having the type as simple. So let me tap here on the edit button for this particular product, and then we'll be showing you how to assign the created size charts to this particular product. So on the edit product page for the marketplace, under the vendor panel, you just need to scroll down to the end, and there you'll have this option, that's the select option. And from the drop down you can choose the different size charts that you have created. So here you can see that we have one size chart that we created, so you can just tap that up, and then that would be displayed here. So here you can see that we have the size men, small, medium, large, XL, and for US, UK, Europe, and Japan we have the different values associated with the product itself. And here we have the image as well. So according to that, the vendor can assign the respective created template to this particular product, and it can be of a simple one or a configurable one. So that was how to assign the templates to the product. And let's go to that particular option once again, that's the size chart. So let's see how we can edit a configurable template. So I'll just tap here. Accordingly we can create a template as well, that is. So if I scroll down, you can see that the template name is men's, size men's, the code is there. And here basically you can see that we have the select option there, that's a drop down. So from that we can choose any of the options here that we want to display within the template itself. And according to that, then the this particular section or the size chart gets created. And it's just like the normal one. You can delete by tapping delete to add a new row, just tap here on the add row, and then you can set up the values, option values, and then the respective values for the other options as well. Upload an image, and then just tap here on the save button to save the configurable product size chart there. So the normal one or the normal templates can be assigned to the simple products, but for the configurable products, you'll have to create a configurable size chart template as we've just shown you. So these values are for the configurable product there, and this is the example for the configurable template that we're going to assign to a configurable product. So here you can see that we have navigated to the marketplace size chart section, and from the select template drop down we have chosen the created configurable size chart for the product, and we have created 3 columns as the color is blue and black, and the chest and the length size for the blue and black t-shirts, and thereafter we have tapped on the save button to save this particular configurable size chart to this particular configurable product. And here you can see that we already have the current variation, so it means that it's a configurable product itself. So that was much about the vendors, how they can create the 2 types, normal and the configurable templates for the size charts, and how they can assign the size chart to their products. And now let's go to the admin backend panel, and let's see how the admin can manage, and if there are any initial configurations for this particular plugin. So for that, I'll just tap here, and I'll be entering my username password for my backend for my Magento 2 multi-vendor marketplace web store. And after login, we'll just be navigating to the section that's the stores, and then configuration. And on the configuration page, just under the Webkul block, we have the option for the size chart, and let me scroll down to that particular option. So, and under the marketplace, we'll have that particular option, that's the marketplace size chart, and here we have the size chart settings. So from here, the admin can allow the attribute codes that would then be available to the customers at the storefront. So right now you can see that we have the bottom size, men's size, and the size type. And after making the changes within the size chart settings here, just tap here on the save configuration button. And after that, let's go to the marketplace management section once again, and here we have the marketplace size chart option, and under that we have the view templates option. So basically all of the marketplace vendor created size charts would be available under this particular list, that's the view templates. Let's open that up. So from here, the admin can also create his normal and configurable templates for his own products, and from the actions drop down he can delete any of the created what we say as the size chart. So let me show you how the admin can also edit the templates of the vendors. So I'll just open this by tapping here on the edit template link under the actions column, and in the meantime let me open the add template as well. So we'll be tapping on the add template. Alright, we don't have the access to this section, so we don't have the access for that within this particular demo that we have. So from here the admin can create the templates for the normal and the configurable product types, and can view the different size charts for the what we say is the for the different type of products. And these products that are displayed here are of the admin as well as of the marketplace vendors. So these are the basically the size charts for the different types. So that was much about the marketplace size chart for the Magento 2 platform, and I hope it helped you out. You can also check the user guide and the live demo for a better understanding, and if you have any questions, queries, suggestions, or requirements, then you can anytime get back to us at support@webkul.com, or you may raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching this particular video and have a great day ahead.